Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here. Going to take up Parkzone T28B Trojan. A little called your everyday warbird. A little too windy to fly, but you know, hey, when does that ever stop me, right? Running an Avion's 2200 3-cylinder. This is one fun little bird to fly. Another one of my birds that I'm very, very confident with. She is considered a naval trainer.
Time remaining 5 minutes.
I'm running her in high rates. But doesn't have flaps, doesn't have anything special, no kind of, I don't think, yeah, she does have a AS3X gyro in her, but it's working overtime right now. Because that wind is fierce, making a very nasty little somewhat cross breeze across the runway. Coming in at about a 30 to 40 degree angle right here, and so that poor plane is having to fight it. So I'm having to pull in an awful lot of rudder to Now, wasn't that a cool little maneuver?
Time remaining 4 minutes.
Oh, I'm upside down. What do I do? Turn over. Talk about your tight little roll there. Yeah, now when you're flying into the wind like this, though, you don't even need flaps. Even if you had flaps, you wouldn't need them. So, anyways, yeah, that wind is definitely not being nice to me right now. There, do a nice little knife edge with her. All the way around. Yeah. Wind is not being nice. Not at all. But sometimes, you know, that wind is kicking around. But you have to fly in the wind, and there we go. Set her down nice and pretty. Nice and pretty. I wonder if we'll take off with the wind. You're not really supposed to do that, but whoa, hey. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. See, that's why you're not supposed to take off with the wind. I hope I didn't hurt my motor shaft, or my, least of which break my prop. See, that was stupid. All right, everything's working as far as that goes. Let's check things out real quick. Motor off. All right, landing gear is fine. Oh, that wind, man. All right, Greg, do like you're supposed to. Take off to end the wind. Put the motor back on. All right, she's rotating evenly. I think we're okay. I think I got lucky. So, when you get lucky like that, you should learn from it. And if you don't get lucky, you should really learn from it. But no matter what, if you do something you know you're not supposed to do, really shouldn't do it. There's a reason why you want a plane to take off into the wind and land in the wind. And the reason is it's a lot more controllable. And as you can see, I was taking off with the wind, with a cross breeze, and when I started picking up speed, cross breeze gust nosed my plane down, had a prop strike, you know. There, nice scale takeoff into the wind. Woo, that wind. Oh. I know you're sick and tired of saying, listen, if we have to hear the word wind one more time. All right, let's go ahead and land this plane. Let her rest. Very wonderful little plane. Unfortunately, it's discontinued. But tricycle gears, so easy to control on the ground. But you can still get them. Trojans, they all pretty much behave the same. So, well folks, there you go. That is the Parkzone T28B Trojan, your everyday warbird. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all.